Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com here in Addison, Illinois. I have this 1972 Chevrolet Camaro split bumper car, and down its throat is a 383 custom-built stroker motor with aluminum headers, high-rise intake, Holley 4-barrel carburetor, power steering, power disc brakes, and check this out, Vortec supercharger. Car's putting out about 600 horse. You gotta hold on to this baby. Upgraded aluminum radiator. This was a factory AC car, as you can see there, but it will need some other parts and pieces in order for the air conditioning to function. So that's on you. Again, split bumper car, Z28 emblem has been just placed on that car. It's not a real Z28. I don't think so. But anyway, check out these beautiful, look at that, US mags, power disc in the front, gorgeous paint throughout the glass, the rubber, the trim, the chrome. Everything is really, really sweet on this car, guys. Inner, outer door jambs look great. RPM tach has been added with some other tack here, or should I say gauges. Bucket seats, seat belts intact. You got your 6x9s in the trunk, nice tight headliner. Here in the dash here, you got a custom radio with a triple gauge package. As you can see, body is really straight on the car. Dual exhaust, rear chrome is great. Fin lines up real nice. Package tray is really good. Passenger side looks great. Just a beautiful car with a 350 B&M shifter. Look at that. Just nice and clean, guys. Nice and crisp. You guys ready to hear this puppy? Let's check this out. Let's check this out. All right. Woo-hoo. Crackle, pop. Let's go. Like popcorn, baby. Get at it a little bit. Freaking kidding me? Must have a really good cam in this car because the reaction is incredible. Let's go, guys. If this is what you're looking for, just look at the price that I have this car listed for. You couldn't build it for this price. Absolutely not. So check it out on the website at mgmclassiccars.com. Okay, there you have it. If you need financing, go to my website, fill out the credit application on the upper right-hand corner. Before you do that, guys, call me, text me, ask me if this car is still available before you do so, okay? You can also call me and text me. I prefer you guys text me or you get a quicker response. Text me your zip code if you need a delivery quote to your driveway. We're licensed, insured, and bonded for the purchase price of this vehicle. If you guys want to check out underneath this beautiful 72 Camaro, go ahead and check out our photos on our website. We do offer great financing, low payments, as you see there, with long terms. So make it very affordable. There you have it, guys. 72 Camaro, 383, supercharged, ready to go. Thanks for watching.